MPC Sample allows you to connect external MIDI devices using its MIDI in and out or MIDI via USB-C, allowing you to trigger sounds using the pads. You can also route the audio from your external device back into MPC Sample, then apply the effects in real time. Here, you can adjust the wet and dry signal of the input. We also have a MIDI config page just by holding Shift and Pad 8. And here we can set up everything from our MIDI ports to how we clock our sequencer directly to external devices. I'm going to set this up as MIDI clock, which means when I start MPC Sample, it's going to trigger the sequencer on our external MIDI device, bringing everything into time. So now let's press play on MPC, and now it's triggered the pattern on the JU06. Now let's go to mute and unmute our drums. Now let's add our real-time effects over our input. We can actually sample this melody straight to a pad because we have all of our audio and MIDI synchronized. So I'm going to go to another pad bank and we're going to use an empty pad. So let's just use this pad here. And I hit sample record. And now we need to change our sample length. If it's on free, there is no fixed length. If we change it to sequence, it's only going to sample the length of our sequence. So hit the pad and it's now waiting for our signal. We're now sampling from our inputs. So now that's finished, you can see the sample on the pad. So now we can go back to our synth and we can change the sound and we can do the same process. So let's record this to a pad. Hit sequence, hit the pad and press play. And now we've just captured that sequence with a different sound. We can now record these samples into our sequence. Thanks for watching this tutorial on MPC Sample. To learn more, head over to akaipro.com. Thanks for watching.